All right, I'm Bill Tierney with Homestead of Sotheby's here in Cohasset, and I am with,
Mark Stiles of Stiles Law. Glad to be here, Bill.
that's awesome. Mark is one of my key players in, the closing process. It's one thing to market a property and one to get an offer, but then you've got to get the legal side of it done, and Mark is a key team member.
Appreciate that, Bill, and we appreciate working with you and all of your clients. They're all wonderful people.
Checks in the mail. Anyway, wires. There's
Yeah.
a lot in the real estate world talking about wires and issues with wires, and
Yeah.
you wanted to just give me a quick 2-second warning.
It's a warning. This is a public service announcement, if you will. Wires became really popular the last 2 years, and there's been a lot of transactions where checks aren't even being cut. Buyers are wiring us the funds come day before closing, and then we're in turn wiring out to the sellers and to their mortgage
Yeah,
companies.
that goes on all the time.
It's gonna slow down fast because what's happening is there are folks perpetrating fraud out there, and what they've done is they've been able to enter into computer networks through mostly what we've found is the common denominator is the free internet email addresses, the domains like Gmail, AOL, Hotmail, Yahoo. Folks that are on those, sometimes it's the consumer, sometimes it's the real estate agent. What they do is they actually go in and they view the dialogue. So they jump in through somebody's email, hack through, they're in their computer and they're watching a dialogue happen. So they spoof or clone somebody's email. So they're not necessarily in the server of the person who's sending the email, but they make it look very close. So, for example, if I'm mstyles at, they would put m.styles at. So the receiver of the email, it looks like it's from them. They've done everything. They've made it look like somebody's footer, their logo, everything. They've taken a lot of steps to make it look very real.
40, 50 grand, you're gonna.
It's more than that, Bill. Unfortunately, what's happening is it comes in and it says, we've decided that we don't want you to put it in the account we gave to you yesterday. Please send it to these instructions.
New wire instructions.
And a lot of people are falling prey to it, and it's really frightening because the second it goes to that next bank account, it's quick to be then
Moves on.
forwarded out to a country where you really can't recover those funds. So the public service announcement is verify, verify, verify. If something seems strange, it probably is. If you get an email and you know that you had wire instructions for somebody and they say they're changing it, go to a phone number that you independently know is accurate. You don't want to go to the email that was sent to you. You go maybe to the website or to a prior conversation you've had. Call, verify, and very often you're going to find that it's been spoofed.
Hey, it's a lot of money and you don't get it back, so it takes 2 seconds to do it. Why not?
Yeah. And we have one set of wiring instructions we haven't changed in years, so if that ever happened with some of your clients, please remind them to call.
Awesome. I'm going to put this out. A lot of my clients, you guys will see this because it's important.
It is important.
Thank you again.
My pleasure,
Thanks,
Bill.
man.
Thanks for having me.